and make sure it goes into maybe My Videos. Then you hit the save button, right? And then that'll save that to the video folder, and you must check it before you close the program. But you must keep saving as you go, because you're losing. You've got to keep saving. Well, first of all, you save as we save the project, and we call this My Story. Right in there. That's fine, and that saves the little layup. So each time you come on there, we've saved all those pictures in your voice track in that position. We can. Right. Okay. So that's good. All right. So once you're happy with all your pictures and your voice, we go to. Make sure devices. And where did that go? Right. Sorry, devices. That one, 720. HD says 720. It's good for good quality. Give it a title and save it in My Videos. Once it's saved into your videos, then you can transfer it to your folder. Right? Don't try and save it in your folder first. It likes to go to My Videos first. Then you hit the save button, right? Then it'll kind of render through all that. Beep, 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 all through that, and like this one here.